everyone, welcome to my channel Dr. Hausenberg's Talk, and this particular video that I'm going to address here, this is a topic that has always been very close to my heart, and I mean close to my heart as in this is something that I've always wanted to talk about with someone, okay, with someone who is going through the same thing. Okay, so I think this is the best platform and this is the best time that I can do it because the NEET UG results are out. Everyone is waiting for the counseling, and there must be a lot of you guys who must be thinking of going towards private and deemed colleges. Okay, or maybe their parents are telling you guys to think about private and deemed colleges. Okay, so why am I somebody who can talk about this, right? Because I've gone through this. What you're going, okay, I've gone through this guilt, okay, of of feeling unworthy, of feeling bad about myself कि यार मैं इतना अच्छा स्टूडेंट हूँ और मुझे इतने मन से कुछ चीज़ करनी है, आई वांट टू बी अ डॉक्टर सो पैशनेटली, बट आई स्टिल नॉट बीन एबल टू डू इट एंड आई फील बैड अबाउट माई सेल्फ, आई फील अनवर्दी. ठीक है, आई हैव बिन देयर एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक टू यू गाइज टुडे. ठीक है, and why am I somebody you can talk to guys? Because you can see on the screen I've done my MBBS from private medical college in Udaipur, Rajasthan. But the more important thing is that after doing from this private college, I've secured a rank of 4132 in my NEET PG exam, which is decent enough to get me the branch of my choice. Okay, the branch of my dreams for that matter. Okay, my dream branch I can get after doing my MBBS from a private college. Okay, so that is the reason that I believe कि I'm somebody who can address this issue as your elder brother, as your senior. Okay, so there are going to be certain topics that I'm going to be addressing here, all the pros and cons, and everything that might be that actually was going on in my own mind when I was your age, when I was taking this decision. Okay, all right. So I'll address the first factor here one by one. Okay, the first factor I want to talk about is the money. Okay, so I'm going to be very blunt with you. Okay, at this point, when I was your age, now when I started doing my MBBS, I was 19 years old, I think. Yes, it was my first drop, and I had not scored well in my exams. And instead of taking talking about my situation top to bottom, I'll just address the issue at hand. Okay, so what I want to say in a very summarized fashion is that any person, not just me, okay, any person who is, let's say, 17 years old, 18, 19, or 20 years old, okay, or age is actually irrelevant here, because let's say any person who is giving his NEET UG exam at this point, okay, he has a very limited understanding of money. Okay, he has a very limited understanding of money, and you might feel bad about this. You might be thinking कि यार ये फालतू की बातें कर रहा है, and he's just saying this, he's trying to encourage us to take a private college or a deemed college. I'm talking from experience, guys. Okay, and अगर और कुछ नहीं तो at least count in my experience. Okay, I've done my MBBS from a private college, and I've converted that into a good rank. Okay, and I'm going to do what I always wanted to do. ठीक है, तो I would consider myself a success. Okay, so it's not like I'm encouraging you to do anything. It's not like I'm discouraging you to do anything. I'm just telling you the reality. Okay, it might be hard for you to accept. I mean, I might be getting a lot of trolling and disliking for this video, but I'm going to make it anyways. Okay, so at this particular age, at this particular junction, you have a very limited understanding of money. Okay, so okay, I mean, just for your better understanding, let's just consider a person. Okay, let's just consider that is Raju. Okay, from Hera Fairy. Okay, so I mean, this is just a random name that I've picked. So Raju has given his third attempt this year of NEET UG. Okay, and Raju is again very passionate about doing MBBS, becoming a doctor, and it is his third attempt, and his score is I mean, any score you want. ठीक है, 400 ले लो, 450 ले लो, whatever you want for that matter. ठीक है, so this is his score, and he wants to do MBBS, and this is his third attempt. ठीक है, तो and Raju of course comes from a well-off family. What do I mean by well-off family? Before addressing this topic of a well-off family, I would like to say one statement which you need to please understand कि money, ठीक है, and this is something that I don't know if you'll be able to understand or not. ठीक है, money is something that is subjective. Okay, and पैसा ना, पैसे के यूजेस होते हैं. ठीक है, पैसा as such it is not something that is useful until you use it somewhere. ठीक है, it is just a commodity which needs to be used like any other commodity. ठीक है, तो it is something that can get you things. Okay, and if you don't get things from that, if you don't make money, if you don't use money to make more money, okay, if you don't invest your money in something, if you don't do anything with your money, it's useless. Okay, so money has to be spent on something on or the other. Okay, that is the reason money exists. Okay, and money is of course subjective in the sense, for someone maybe 1 cr 2 cr 3 cr or even 100 cr for that matter, crores, doesn't matter a lot. ओके, अगर मैं अंबानी की बात करूँ तो उसके अकाउंट से अगर मैं 4-5 करोड़ ले लूँ, उसे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ठीक है, ऑन दी अदर हैंड इफ़ आई जस्ट कंसिडर अनदर फैमिली, फॉर देम मे बी 50,000 or 1 lakh is going to make a huge difference in their life. Okay, it may put them under financial burdens. So let's say Raju comes from a family where doing MBBS from private or a deemed college is not going to put pressure on his family. His family is going to continue to have that same lifestyle without any extra burden added to them. ठीक है, maybe let's say Raju's dad has saved some money for his education, and the amount of money that is about to spend here falls off within the range. Okay, so let's say that is the situation of this guy. ठीक है, so he comes from this family, but of course in your mind, this is something that I was also facing at your time. I was feeling very guilty. I was feeling bad कि मैं एक रैंक नहीं ला पाया, बिकॉज आई मीन ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज मस्ट हैव बीन द टॉपर्स ऑफ योर स्कूल्स, राइट? नेवर इन योर लाइफ यू मस्ट हैव स्कोर्ड लेस देन 90% इन एनी सब्जेक्ट फॉर दैट मैटर, एंड नाउ यू आर स्टक एट अ प्लेस एंड यू आर थिंकिंग कि यार मेरे नंबर नहीं आए हैं और मुझे बुरा लग रहा है, और this is not me and I need to push harder, I need to give another attempt. Okay, Raju is very adamant on giving another attempt, but it is his third attempt. Okay, now Raju is 20 years old, 19 or 20 years old. ठीक है, and Raju's father has a perspective. Okay, now let me give you your father's perspective, or my father's perspective, or anybody who comes from a well-off family. Raju's father is concerned that it was his third attempt. Okay, and let's say Raju's passionate, and this is not Raju's rank. Okay, maybe something happened on the day of the exam, maybe something happened on the there are so many factors here. I'm not saying that they're excuses. If you think they're excuses, you're wrong. Okay, they're not excuses, they are genuine reasons that could have hampered his rank. Maybe he had a panic attack during the exam. Okay, maybe he got really anxious, and he could not give the best paper that he could have otherwise given, and or maybe he had some emotional event in his life that screwed up his rank. Okay, now his father knows that my son is hardworking, my son is very passionate, and he wants to become a doctor, and his father knows that no matter where I send him, he's so passionate, and he knows that he'll be able to make the best out of wherever I send him. Okay, and for Raju's father, okay, the money that he's about to spend in getting him this seat from a private college, for him this is an investment. Why? Because Raju's father is sensible in terms of experience. Okay, this mentality that I'm talking of, it won't come at you. It won't come to you now. It will come to you when you reach my age or maybe your father's age. Okay, money is something that needs to be invested in the right things. Okay, Raju's father knows कि his son is capable of making the best of the opportunity that he's going to get. Okay, he knows that if I send him to any college, any decent college that my money can get, okay, and if I let him do his medical education from there, he's definitely going to make the most of it, and he's going to crack an amazing rank in his PG, and he's going to be happy. Okay, so his father is making an investment. Okay, please understand this. His father is making an investment in his education to get him something that he wants. And this person, okay, I'm telling you this is what his father is also thinking. Agar uska beta, I mean, that is another thing altogether. I mean, it would have been foolish on Raju's father's part if Raju was not interested in taking medicine. Okay, अगर वो ज़बरदस्ती उसका एडमिशन करा रहे होते पैसे देकर कि नहीं तुम MBBS ही करो, right, then that would have been wrong. But he knows that his son is passionate. He knows that if he gets him the seat, he'll make the best out of it, and he'll turn this into something very big. Okay, and he'll be happy for the rest of his life. He's paying this money to get happiness, to get a career, to get satisfaction for himself and for his son. There's nothing better than this. To get him education, quality education. Okay, for him it is a good deal. But Raju is very adamant. He's very anxious, and he's feeling so much guilt कि यार मेरे से नहीं हो पाया, मैं सेलेक्ट नहीं हो पाया. तो आपको मैं एक बात बताऊंगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है, जस्ट लुक एट दिस. ओके, जस्ट लुक एट दिस. So these are the cutoffs. ठीक है, for different categories. And this is something that I can tell you from the bottom of my heart, that India is a very unfair state, unfair country to live in, ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं ना, ठीक है, देयर आर सम कॉलेजेस इनकी फीस इज नॉट एट ऑल टचेबल, ठीक है, 35 lakhs और 50 lakhs पर ईयर, ऐसी भी कॉलेजेस हैं, ठीक है, एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट द गवर्नमेंट वांट्स टू डू विद दिस. देयर इज नो फीस रेगुलेशन, नंबर वन. देयर इज सो मच ऑफ रिजर्वेशन, number two. And if you see the general seat is to candidate ratio, it is pathetic. समझ रहे हो आप? तो यू लिव इन अनफेयर कंट्री, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, ठीक है. द कट ऑफ फॉर अनरिजर्व्ड कैटेगरी लास्ट ईयर वाज 611. ब्लडी 600 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 800 if a normal candidate is scoring. He cannot get through all India quota anywhere in the country. How sad is this state here? Do you know what 600 out of 800 is? How much percentage it is? Okay, let's calculate this. ठीक है, कितना परसेंटेज हुआ? आई एम नॉट वेरी गुड एट मैथ्स. Okay, so this is going to be 600 by 8, right? So somewhere around 60, 65, 70, whatever it is, ठीक है. तो अगर तुम एक कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम में, ठीक है, 75% पे किसी को एडमिशन नहीं दे पा रहे कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम में, दिस इज नॉट 12th का एग्जाम, दिस इज नॉट योर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, ठीक है, एट दिस ग्रेड स्कोर इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू गिव एडमिशन टू अ पर्सन, दैट इज डेफिनेटली समथिंग रॉन्ग, ठीक है. तो अगर आपको लग रहा है, and of course that being said, other people are getting it at lower scores. I'm not going to address the topic of reservation, that in itself is a debate, ठीक है. तो people at 488, people at 611 are going to be studying together. आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि ये बंदा लायक नहीं और ये बंदा लायक है. Absolutely not. Both of these people are going to be studying in the same college. That also I can tell. ठीक है. तो इंडिया इज अनफेयर, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, ठीक है. और ये बात आप नहीं समझ पाओगे, ये बात आपके पेरेंट्स समझ पाएंगे, ठीक है. तो आपके पेरेंट्स अपनी जगह राइट है और आप भी अपनी जगह राइट हो, ठीक है. बट यू नो दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मनी इज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट, एंड योर फादर इज सेइंग दैट ही एक्चुअली कैन बेट ऑन यू. तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए इस पॉइंट पे? इफ यू आर हेल बेंट ऑन टेकिंग अ ड्रॉप एंड योर फादर इज हेल बेंट ऑन गेटिंग योर कॉलेज, ठीक है, यू नीड टू मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ इट एंड डू व्हाट आई डिड, राइट. यू नीड टू गिव योर बेस्ट and you need to crack the next exam. For some reason it is also called next, right? Your exit exam, and you need to secure a great rank in your NEET PG exam and save the money there. Okay, save the money in the sense and get your dream seat, get your, अगर तुम्हें इतना गवर्नमेंट से करने का कीड़ा है, अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ प्रूव करनी है, तो get your seat there. Okay, now the second thing that I'll address about this guilt thing, okay, is that it is all in the mind, ठीक है. अब आप सोचोगे कि यार ये बकवास कर रहा है, मैं बिल्कुल बकवास नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है. आप बात समझो कि मैं वो चीज़ कर चुका हूँ जो आप करने जा रहे हो, ठीक है. आई हैव बीन इन अ प्राइवेट कॉलेज फॉर ब्लडी 5.5 years, ओके, एंड वेरी क्लोज टू माई कॉलेज वॉज अ गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, ओके. सो आई हैड इंटरेक्शन विद देम ऑल्सो, ठीक है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. तो मुझे कहीं ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैं इन्फीरियर हूँ उनसे. इनफैक्ट इफ़ यू मेक 150 students of the government college that was in Udaipur stand in front of me, I can say with assurance that I'm better than at least 125 of them, or even more. You know, I've seen this in the classes that we went to. You know, जैसे आपकी पीजी यूजी के टाइम पे एलन और आकाश जैसे कोचिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं, इन योर यूजी इन योर पीजी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू शिफ्ट फ्रॉम एलन टू डैम्स और भाटी और प्रेप लैडर और मैरो, ठीक है. तो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द ट्रांजिशन. एंड व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गो टू दीस क्लासेस, I attended DAMS from my second year, and when I used to sit with them, there were government college students also. Okay, and I was better than them in terms of answering things, in terms of knowing things, and the teachers used to praise me, right? And I used to sit there with them, and I used to understand कि यार ऐसा कोई difference नहीं है, right? It actually, maybe I had a bad day on that day यार, कि उस दिन मेरा एग्ज़ाम अच्छा नहीं हुआ, ठीक है, कई चीज़ें हो सकती हैं, but now I am sitting in the same room with the government college students and I'm dominating them. So this domination, it will happen if you are passionate enough, if you make the best out of your college, ठीक है. अब I'll tell you the story about my college, ठीक है. I was a person who always felt guilty यार, मुझे बुरा लगता था कि मैंने इतने सारे पैसे लगा के अपनी MBBS करी है, ठीक है. तो you know, with that feeling I always lived. I lived for 5.5 years. But you know, as and when the time progressed, okay, I came to a realization that I'm no different from my government college peers, okay. So, and I'll tell you how I made the best out of that opportunity, ठीक है. तो you have to understand one thing. मेडिकल कॉलेज में क्या होता है with regards to your MBBS, okay. तो I would classify any medical college for that matter into two groups, okay. One with bad academics okay, plus a bad infrastructure, plus let's say patient load is irrelevant. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस, लोग पेशेंट लोड की बात करते हैं बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पेशेंट लोड इतना रेलेवेंट नहीं है, मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्यों, ठीक है। तो मैं दो चीज़ें देखता हूँ, ओके, एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई थिंक यू शुड ऑल्सो सी, कि there are two types of colleges, one with bad academics and infrastructure and the other one with good academics and infrastructure. Infrastructure से मेरा मतलब है कि are there latest facilities in your college or not, okay, is there let's say a PG course running in your college or not, ठीक है। तो you have to see these things, क्योंकि I'll talk about my college. My college is not bad in any sense. Okay, I'll tell you the main disadvantage of doing from private college first. ठीक है, तो आप बात समझो यार, जहाँ मैं गया था ना, in the private college that I went to, my score was around 450. Okay, and the students studying with me, they were people who got a score of even 200, even below 200, barely qualified people were studying with me. तो आई वॉज हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम विद माई पियर्स एक्चुअली, ठीक है, क्योंकि वहाँ पर कोई मूड ही नहीं था, वहाँ पर कोई माहौल ही नहीं था पढ़ने का, ठीक है। अगर मैं आपके अपने बैच की बात करूँ ना, तो आई स्कोर्ड अ स्कोर ऑफ 584 इन माई नीट पी जी, एंड इन माई एंटायर बैच देर आर हार्डली 5 to 6 पीपल हु हैव स्कोर्ड अ स्कोर ऑफ मोर देन 500, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड। तो मेरे पियर्स में मुझे प्रॉब्लम लगती थी, ठीक है, कि किसी को क्लास में जाना में इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, किसी को पीजी की तैयारी करने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, ठीक है। तो उस तरह के लोग आपको वहाँ मिलेंगे। तो लोग आपको बुरे मिल सकते हैं, बुरे मतलब इन द सेंस इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है पढ़ने में, बट फैकल्टी आपको टॉप नॉच मिलेगी। द फैकल्टी इन माई कॉलेज वॉज वेरी गुड एंड द फैसिलिटीज़ इन माई कॉलेज वेरी गुड, यू नो। एंड इसकी एक एडवांटेज होती है, ठीक है, जहाँ से मैंने किया था ना, वहाँ पे बच्चे पढ़ने में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं था और फैकल्टी बहुत अच्छी थी। तो अगर आप इन फैकल्टी के पास जाते हो और पूछते हो कि सर मुझे आप यू टीच मी दीज थिंग्स, यू टीच मी अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर डिजीज, यू टीच मी अबाउट दिस, यू टीच मी अबाउट दैट, दिल बी वेरी हैप्पी कि कोई हमसे पढ़ने आया है, ठीक है। तो एंड दिल टीच यू प्रॉपरली। इनफैक्ट आई यूज टू सिट विद माई टीचर्स, आई यूज टू सिट इन द साइकेट्री वार्ड with my professor who is from NIMANS, the topmost institute, by the way, for psychiatry in India, ठीक है। So I used to sit with him. Yes, so I used to sit with him for learning psychiatry in his OPD. He used to see patients. I used to see them with him, and and as he was making the diagnosis, as he was asking the questions to them, I used to make a diagnosis parallelly in my brain. It was wonderful. Okay, I used to sit with my DM cardio professor, my DNB neuro madam, DM cardio from AIMS New Delhi, by the way. I used to sit in his OPD while he was treating patients, and I was actually learning from the best of the best, only because of the fact that my peers were not interested in learning. And my college fortunately had a great infrastructure. I've seen pacemakers being inserted. Okay, I've even assisted one process. क्योंकि उस दिन ना संडे था, ओके, संडे का दिन था, एंड आई वॉज अ फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट देयर, एंड आई जस्ट वेंट टू द इमरजेंसी। मेरी पोस्टिंग वोस्टिंग कुछ नहीं लगी थी, आई जस्ट वेंट देयर टू लर्न थिंग्स, बस मैं चला गया वहाँ पे। एंड संडे का दिन था, कोई था नहीं वहाँ पे, एंड एमओ हैड गॉन फॉर लंच, एंड देयर वाज अ केस देयर, ठीक है। आई टेल यू दिस वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग, ओके, देयर वाज अ केस ऑफ हार्ट ब्लॉक, 3rd degree हार्ट ब्लॉक, ठीक है, जो कि मैंने पढ़ा था, and I was in my final year, and I knew that this is 3rd degree heart block. I identified it on ECG, and I called the MO there, and he told me कि तू इसको लेके जा cath lab, you take him to the cath lab. I took this patient to the cath lab, and I helped the TM there. I did not assist. I mean, I was standing there. There were of course his assistants, but I looked at the entire process. He was telling me everything that was happening. I watched him insert a pacemaker. He told me the entire process. He told me the complications. He was very happy to see that somebody had come on a Sunday to emergency department just to learn, right? And that is the kind of zeal, and that is the kind of uh, hard work and passion that takes you forward. Not your rank, not your score. It doesn't matter, yeah. And today I can tell with pride that I'm better than most of my government college peers. I'll tell you how I can say this. I mean, this is a fact. This is not something that I'm saying. I'm not making up this. Okay, there were 1,80,000 doctors. Okay, 1,80,000 doctors who gave NEET PG. Okay, and my rank among this is 4,132. So this is 97th percentile, 97.25 percentile. That means I'm better in terms of the marks. I'm not saying I'm better than the doctors. I've scored better marks than 97.5% MBBS graduates of India, government colleges included. Do you understand? Right? It is all in your mind कि आपने कपड़ा गवर्नमेंट से किया, प्राइवेट से किया, आप अपने इंस्टीट्यूट से कितना निकाल सकते हो, how much you can extract from institute, that is what matters. Okay, this tag, it doesn't matter at all, right? If I go and get a JR's job, okay, at hospital, and let's say a person from a government peripheral college comes with me, okay, maybe he'll be given preference for the job over me. But if we both get into the same job, na, 2 or 3 days later, it won't matter from where I've come, from where he has come. What they will see is, they'll see your work. Okay, how much you know, how much work you can do. Okay, how good you are at how good you are at dealing with patients, right? And this is when you're just joining as an MBBS. Okay, at the end of the day, after 3 days, if he's not able to do his job properly, I'm able to do my job. He will be fired, I'll be kept. Do you understand? टैग मैटर नहीं करता, चाहे वो MBBS हो, चाहे वो MDMS हो. ठीक है. At the end of the day, the patient wants to get the best treatment. If you are able to cure a patient, if you are able to send him out with a smile, with happiness, कि यार डॉक्टर के पास गए, ठीक हो के आ रहे हैं, so that is what will get your reputation, that is what will get your patients. Not the fact that you've gone to a private college or a government college. So please take this thing out of your head. It makes absolutely no difference. क्योंकि ना MBBS में ना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें नहीं होती. आपको मेनली पढ़ना होता है, आपको सीखना होता है, और वो आपको पढ़ना है खुद से या कोचिंग से. सो दैट डजेंट मैटर कि आप कहाँ हो, आप क्या कर रहे हो. ठीक है, आप क्या कर रहे हो दैट मैटर्स, आप कहाँ हो डजेंट मैटर. और आप किस लेवल पे अपने इंस्टीट्यूट को निचोड़ सकते हो और उनसे सीख सकते हो, दैट इज व्हाट होल्ड्स द इम्पोर्टेंस देयर. ठीक है. तो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू एड्रेस इन दिस वीडियो. सो इफ यू हैव एनी थॉट्स लाइक दिस दैट आई हैव हैड, प्लीज थ्रो देम आउट ऑफ द विंडो. ठीक है. प्लीज मेक सेंसिबल चॉइसेस, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी मोर डाउट्स कि यार मुझे लेना चाहिए नहीं लेना चाहिए, प्लीज टाइप इन द कमेंट बॉक्स, चैट बॉक्स. आई वुड बी वेरी ग्लैड टू हेल्प anybody who is going through this confusion. ठीक है. So I'll end this video with one statement. ठीक है. Institute is not good or bad. ठीक है. It is you and only you, ठीक है, that will determine where you end up. ठीक है, where you end up, I mean you are responsible for your fate, for your destiny, for your life, not your institute. Your institute is nothing. ठीक है. इंस्टीट्यूट में सिर्फ ये देखो कि आप जहाँ जा रहे हो, चाहे डीम्ड हो चाहे प्राइवेट हो, वहाँ पे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ठीक होना चाहिए, एकेडमिक्स ठीक होनी चाहिए. बच्चे जाएँ भाड़ में यार, बच्चे गंदे ही मिलेंगे आपको. क्योंकि यार अगर आप पढ़ रहे हो किसी के साथ, मतलब जिसकी स्कोर आई मीन 200 है, ठीक है, जिसका स्कोर 150 है, वो पढ़ने के लिए नहीं आए हैं. कई लोग, मोस्ट ऑफ देम, राइट, दे हैव जस्ट कम देयर बिकॉज आई मीन देर आर पेरेंट्स हु जस्ट want their son or daughter to be a doctor. ठीक है, वैसे लोग आएंगे वहाँ पर. बट दैट डजेंट मैटर, दैट डजेंट मीन कि आप नहीं पढ़ोगे यार. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, हाउ मच यू वांट टू स्टडी, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन यू आर, हाउ मच पैशन यू होल्ड. ठीक है. कल को अगर एम्स में कोई MBBS कर रहा है एंड ही स्टॉप स्टडिंग, ही विल बी यूजलेस. You can rise much above him if a doctor stops studying. I'm telling you this. I mean, doctor, this profession of being a doctor, it is a very long race. The day you stop studying, that is where your career ends. ठीक है. आपने कहाँ से किया वो मैटर नहीं करता, आप कितना लंबा खेल सकते हो इस गेम को, दैट इज व्हाट मैटर्स. ठीक है. ऑन दैट नोट, आई वुड लाइक टू एंड दिस वीडियो. इफ यू लाइक दैट, प्लीज शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स. Okay, and of course like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want more such content, and of course type in the chat box how you liked it, and if there is anything else you want me to talk about. Thank you so much, and goodbye and take care.